My name is Coach Ed. We're here at Anza Elementary. This is both first and second grade combined. We usually separate them, but sometimes when the schools are small, sometimes we put them together. Today we went over a lot of the basics, you know, a lot of repetition, chess notation, check and checkmate, how the pieces move, the value of the pieces. And then we also did the 2-move checkmate. We're trying to get them ready for the tournament. Once they're in 3rd grade, that's when they can compete. But yeah, pretty much now they're putting what they learned into practice.
I'm gonna give you guys a chance to try to look for the best move in this position. And I want you guys to start calculating this way, okay? Some of you guys are already at this level, which is very quiet and impressive. It's Vanilla's turn to move. And you have a tactic here. But it's not an immediate tactic. Let's see.
Knight to C2.
Knight C2.
That's the first move.
That is not the first move. It's not an immediate tactic, but it's a tactic that you can force. Dylan.
Knight B5.
No. Okay, let's see. Knight takes F5. Boom. This is the type of vision that you need to have in chess. You need to look in the future. Takes. What? But now we have the same amount of pieces, right? We have quiet. We have the rooks, 2 rooks, a knight, and a bishop. We have the same amount of pieces. How can I force an advantage here? Does anyone have an idea? Grace. Bishop H3. Ah, right here in this position, you were able to force a tactic. Can this rook defend this rook any moment? Can I save 2 rooks at the same time?
No.
Actually, yes. Ah. Does anyone see it? You have a question? What's the question? A tactic is it's a move in chess. It's just a fancy term in chess for you to get an advantage. Okay? You need to look for intermediate moves. Rook E5 works. What is that? A check. Can I ignore a check? No. How about we go back? Now you guys found the way how to save both rooks by checking. But how about I tell you guys that now I just changed one thing in the position. What's the first move now? Everyone should know the answer now. Don't yell it out loud. I'll pick you. Leah. Knight F5. Beautiful. Boom. Can a pawn take this knight? No. What is the only piece that can take the knight? The rook is the only piece that can take the knight. Boom. I take the knight. Now, what is the tactic here? Bishop H3. This is called, what is this called? Does anyone know? It could be considered a pin, but there's a better name for it. Because a pin would be when something a little bit more valuable is behind this piece. So it is, although it is true something is pinned, you don't know, no. Yes. A skewer, give me 5.
Squirrel.
Not a squirrel, a skewer. If I don't move either one or the other and I protect it with a pawn, I'm gonna end up with a bad position. So I decide that I'm actually gonna sacrifice this rook. I take, you take. And now even though I'm down in exchange, it is still better than, just losing a whole rook. Yes.
Go back to the skewer for me. I'm thinking of moves. What about rook to H5?
Oh yeah, that actually works.
Sneaky, huh?
Oh yeah, H5, that actually works.
Oh, no, that's sneaky.
Yeah.
Then it takes it, and this takes the
Yeah.
rook.
It's a rook. You get a rook and check. Another rook.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, that's crazy. I didn't notice that.
Sometimes I'm teaching it, but I don't see the whole. If you stand in back, you'll find that move. Now, I don't know if it might not work. It might not work.
It does work. It does work.
Works.
Yeah.
It works.
So you can try to find those moves. Are hard to find.
Check. You don't have to take right away. You don't. Look, now it's check. You got a rook. Boom.
No, that's,
Yeah, but how are you gonna defend it?
I know.
Check takes, and then that's GG's. That's good game. You're gonna lose another rook, and look, you're gonna be able to maybe fight for another day, but yeah, it's pretty. Yeah,
Today, Asher.
yeah, not today. Yeah, that's it. It's gonna be a knight and a rook against a bishop. That's pretty hard. Who says chocolate can castle?
They can, but it's a bad idea.
Who says chocolate cannot castle? Chocolate cannot castle. If chocolate castles, the king goes through check for a slight second. Look, boom, boom. Can you put your king at any time in danger? No. So castle is not possible in this position for chocolate. Notice how when you castle, you will be in trouble, in check. You cannot castle through check or into check, and you cannot castle to get out of check. How about now? Let's say I just took your queen. You take the queen. Can I move my king back and then after that castle again? No. So castle has to be the king's first move. Also, if you moved your rook already and you moved it back for whatever reason, can you castle again? No, because you already moved the rook. Now here's a tricky question. Is castling a king move or a rook move? It's a king move. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let me give you another scenario. Can I castle after moving the king? Can I castle if I already moved the rook? Ah, can I castle to the other side? What if I already moved the king? What if I'm moving into check? What if I'm running away from check? What if I'm into check? Okay. Is the queen side castle the same as king side castle? It is exactly the same. The king does the same motion every single time. 1, 2. The rook is the one that goes a little longer, but the king, since it's the king's move, the king does the same motion. Let's do it the other way. Watch. 1, 2, rook over. Let's do it the other way. 1, 2, and rook over. This is called long side castle or queen side castle. Both are correct.